This Jaqua Realtors property video is presented by Hollett. In between some beautiful homes on Austin Lake, let your imagination go for making or replacing this one to a place that can be of value after you are done. The property is where the bulk of the value lies for now. There are currently 2 furnaces, with one concealed behind a wall panel in the room off the dining room and the other by the laundry. The view of the lake is spectacular. There is also a 14 by 14 deck that has steps leading to the sandy beach. For more information, review the details below.